Hi students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss one of the important numerical. Now, numerical number 1. A projectile is fired a projectile is fired horizontally with a velocity of 98 meter per second from the hill 490 meters high. Now find point number 1. The time taken to reach the ground, Now, point number 2. The distance of the target from the hill Now, point number 3. The velocity with which the body strikes the ground. Now, take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Once again, I am repeating the numerical. Listen carefully. A projectile is fired horizontally with a velocity of 98 meter per second from the hill 490 meter high. Find the time taken to reach the ground. Point number 2. The distance of the target from the hill Point number 3. The velocity with which the body strikes the ground. Take g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now, solution. Let OX and OY be two perpendicular axis. Once again I am repeating, let OX and OY be two perpendicular axes. Now, here UX is equal U is equal Vx, that is equal or leave this one. Ux is equal U is equal 98 meter per second and Vx is equal Ux is equal U and G is equal 0 because horizontal direction. Now X is equal capital R, horizontal range. Small t is equal capital T, time of flight. These are the important points we have to remember. Similarly here also, Ui is equal 0. Now Vy is equal Gt or Vy is equal G capital T and given G is equal plus 9.8 meter per second square and Y is equal H, that is equal 490 meters. Now small t is equal capital T. These are the points we understood from the numerical. Now go for solution point by point. Okay. Now point 1. Let capital T be the time of flight. Time of flight of the projectile. From O to C. Once again, let T be the time of flight of the projectile from O to C. Now S is equal ut plus half a t square. Which direction? Vertical direction. Therefore Sy is equal Uy small t plus 1 by 2 a y t square. That means 490 is equal 0 into small t plus 1 by 2 into 9.8 into t square. Once again, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Sy is equal to uyt plus 1 by 2 ayt square. Therefore 490 is equal to 0 into t plus 1 by 2 into 9.8 into t square. Therefore t square is equal to 2 into 4900 whole by 98 gives 10 seconds. Here second one, t is equal to this is 100 seconds. Therefore t is equal to 10 seconds. Therefore t is equal to, we know that 2h by g, t is equal to root 2 into 490 by 9.8. t is equal to 10 seconds. This is also another method. Now point number 2, taking horizontal motion, taking horizontal motion of particle from O to C. Once again, taking horizontal motion of the particle from O to C. S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square from second equation of motion. But horizontal motion is x direction. Horizontal motion means x direction. Therefore S suffix x is equal to ux into t plus 1 by 2 a x t square. But what is x? X is equal to Sx is equal to x, that is equal to r is equal to ux is equal to 98, time is equal to 10 plus 1 by 2 into ax is equal to 0 into t square. Therefore x is equal to r is equal to 980 meters. R is equal, another formula is there, u into root of 2h by g. Therefore r is equal to 980 into 2 into 490 whole by 9.8. Therefore r is equal to 98 into 10. Therefore r is equal to 980 meters. This is also another method. Now point number 3, Vx is equal to V is equal to U plus AT, but horizontal direction. Therefore horizontal means Vx is equal to Ux plus AXT, that is equal to, what is Ux? 98 plus Ax is equal to 0 into T as usually T. Therefore, Vx is equal to 98 meter per second. But we know that Vx is equal to Ux is equal to U. That is equal to 98 meter per second. Next, from first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. This is along vertical direction. Vy is equal to Uy plus AYT. That is equal to 0 plus 9.8 into 10. Therefore, Vy is equal to 98 meter per second, or Vy is equal to GT formula. That means Vy is equal to 9.8 into 10. That is equal to 98 meter per second. If second method Vy is equal to GT, therefore Vy is equal to 9.8 into 10, that is equal to 98 meter per second. Now resultant velocity. Now resultant velocity V is equal to root of Vx square plus Vy square. Therefore, V is equal to root of 98 whole square plus 98 whole square. Therefore, V is equal to 98 into root 2. If beta is the angle which V makes with the horizontal direction, then tan beta is equal to Vy by Vx, that is equal to 98 by 98, that is equal to 1. Therefore, tan beta is equal to 1 and beta is equal to tan inverse of 1. Therefore, beta is equal to 45 degrees. My dear students, I hope you understood how to solve such type of the numericals. Thank you very much for watching this video. My students, thank you very much for watching this video.